Morning guys, June 20th, 2023. This one I got a call from a guy, worked for him before many times. He's got a couple of toilets he's having issues with. One of them's not filling properly, and the other one is, says it's leaking by. He says it's a newer Kohler, so I might have parts for it, I'm not sure. I got parts for some of the Kohlers, but not all of them. So we'll go by and see if we can help this guy out. He's retired now, and a lot of the people that live in this complex are, you know, very wealthy. Beautiful homes, gated community type of thing. Anyway, we're working. Me and Miss Wally are working again. We'll try to get you some shots. Yeah, so this one here and then this don't work, right?
No, that doesn't work.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is, and the other one upstairs is leaking by, the flapper.
Take them up and figure out both of them and turn the water off and switch them over.
Yeah, this one's not filling, so yeah, it works. This is back when this is
trickle water.
yeah, this is back when Kohler was a good toilet. They had the bolts going through it. You know, these idiots always trying to reinvent the wheel, you know?
Yeah.
Now, you like this, a little round toilet like this?
It was in the house.
Yeah, you don't have a problem with it?
No.
It's nice to have the more room. You don't care.
Works fine for me.
Yeah.
I'm not changing the hell with it.
Alright, let's go look at the other one.
The other one
This one's leaking by and it's up all the way, so we're gonna shut the water off.
gotta shut it off downstairs in the basement.
Yeah, and that's not shutting off. Wow. Alright, so we're gonna shut the water off and I'll fix them both, okay?
Yep.
Make sure it's not running. I'm gonna take this apart, check the washer. That's probably the washer's going on it. Water's off. This one's not filling. Just grab one of these little ones. Push it on there. Ain't rocket science. Ain't rocket science. Yeah, the old washer's gone. It's got to be up inside the valve. I've got people telling me, oh, you should replace the whole valve. For what? Be a dum-dum. Be a dum-dum. I can see the washer in there. Washer's in there. See if I can blow it out. It's blocked. can see it in there. Can't blow through it. Put a new one. We got more supply here. Here's these.
You're staying almost the day till I get.
Yeah, what happened was the washer let go and it got stuck in the hose.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look at the hose. The washer's stuck in there.
Oh,
See
yeah.
the black washer?
Yeah.
So what I did was I took the valve apart. I cleaned out what was the the broken rubber that was in there.
Yep.
And I put a new rubber.
Okay.
A new washer, and I'm gonna put a new supply. We might have to change the fill valve. I'm not sure yet, but let's try this first before we start.
Those things aren't too old. You put them in.
What?
Those coil ones.
I might have put the flapper in. I don't think I played around with the valve.
No, I mean the hoses.
The flapper.
No, I don't think they played the.
Yeah, I changed the flapper. I remember. I did. I changed the flapper that was down in there on this one last year. I've got a good memory, but it's short.
Yeah.
Huh?
For me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can remember. Not too senile yet.
Gonna bust your ass, though.
That's what it was. That's why it didn't work when I turned it off around. It didn't make any difference.
Yeah, cause no, there's a rubber in there that was broken apart. What I do is I just take one from here and I just press a new one on.
Good.
See?
Yeah.
I'll show you when we go upstairs if you want to hang around. We'll shut this off.
Oh, glad that's an easy repair.
What we gotta do is we gotta repair the other one first before we turn the water back on,
Naturally.
right? Because I know the other one's bad. Let's do the other one first.
That makes sense.
And then when we turn the water on, at least I know I can shut the water off and work on them, right?
Yeah.
It's not rocket science. Now, what it does is it blows the air in your throat and keeps your airway open so you can breathe. I don't snore anymore. But I had to figure it out. You snore?
No, I don't know. Ask my wife. She says sometimes.
Does she?
Yeah.
So what happens when you lay back, your tongue goes against your throat or your throat collapses, and then that's how you snore.
Thankfully, I don't have that.
Yeah, I wish I didn't, but I gotta. So I've been kind of experimenting with different stuff and trying to figure out. Supposed to go see a specialist on Thursday.
Well, around here, we're.
That's like, you're making an appointment with these guys that see in 6 months.
I know.
It's not like they take you right away, so it's like I'm on my own here. I just buying all the shit myself and trying it out. Yeah, this wash is bad too. See it? It's missing.
Oh yeah.
See it?
Yeah, gone.
So all I do is, I bet you it's right in here. Nope, it's up inside. It's up inside the thing like the other one was. Look at that. It's not even in there.
Huh.
See, and you thought I was throwing. That's probably why it's stuck up inside the valve, and it's not shut. It won't shut off because there's rubber up in there. We might be able to take it apart and give it a flush and put it back together. Either that or change the whole thing. But we gotta get the new valve in here first.
Yeah, that's for sure.
So you only got one son that took over the business?
Yeah, I got 3 daughters and 1 son.
Are they all in it?
No, the daughters didn't want anything to do with it. I offered it to them.
It's just stuck to this water. I can't blow through it partially. Just barely blow through it. So this one's all good too. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Now watch. I'll put a new washer on there. I got these young kids, saying, "Oh, put a new valve in there," instead of putting just a washer. These flipping new kids, they don't know shit, They don't know how to fix things. Change the whole valve. For what? The proper flipping washer on like that? What's so big deal about that? Half these flipping guys should be selling Girl Scout cookies instead of working out in a trade. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Look at that. Big
Hey.
deal.
You know how my...
Look at that. It's looking shit. No problem.
My daughter and her husband are very good friends with that guy from With This Old House. The plumber, Fatui.
Oh yeah, what about him?
His son that's on that show, he's a good friend of my daughter's, my son-in-law.
Oh, is his son's on the show now?
Yeah, he is.
I don't know. I remember the name Richard Tutuity.
I met the father.
He's like a bald dude, isn't he?
He's a little short guy, the plumber that With This Old House.
Yeah,
You know where he lived for 3 years?
What?
In a sailboat, paid near Harbor.
He's been living there?
Not now, but he did years ago.
What, his wife kick him out?
No, his wife was with him too. They wanted, instead of go camping, they wanted to try something different. They liked it. They stayed 3 summers on a sailboat.
No shit.
Yeah. He knows all about it.
Watch, look in there. You can see the washer in there. Can you see it?
Yep.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Now, what's so hard about that? Instead of unsoldering this whole thing, and
Oh, I'm gonna do that.
people are stupid, you know.
Yeah.
Nuts. We'll put a new supply in there.
Yeah.
This one we're gonna have to probably take it apart and blow the shit out of the top. We'll give it the old faithful once we get the water back on. We'll give it the old.
Stay here and I'll go turn the water on.
We'll give it the old faithful, right? And then we'll put it back together and see if it works.
You stay here, I'll go turn the water on.
All right, hang on a minute. Let me get this back together for you. Give it a little how you doing and see what happens with it. I do have it off, but I just I don't want to have a flood in this house.
No.
Not this house.
No.
Boss will be all pissed off at you. Sending you back to work. No?
No, I'm not. I'm all done.
Yeah, she's sending you back to work. All right, go ahead. You want to turn it on?
Yeah.
Quarter turn, right?
Water turn? Okay.
Yeah. This one we're gonna take apart, and it's probably full of that black. It's probably full of sediment. Let's see if we can. We're gonna go turn the water on, and we'll give it the old how you doing, Mama. We'll give it the old how you doing. Oh yeah. Look at the gasket in there. Yeah, there you go. That's not a problem. I'm gonna show him that. Wonder why it won't shut off. I wonder if there's more in there. Yeah. Look at that shit. Alright, you ready? Give it the old how you doing, Mom. Alright, that's good. I'll give it the old how you doing. Oh my god. Funny.
Did it work?
Yeah. We found the problem.
What's the problem?
It's the washer that was stuck in the top.
Oh, it came out.
Look at that shit.
Where was it stuck?
It was right up in the top there. I took
Wow.
it apart. Now let's see. It's not filling. We'll flush it. But what happened was the washer blew apart down the bottom.
Sure.
It worked its way up here. There's like a little. It's like a carburetor in a car, you know.
Yeah.
When this goes down, the water will come in. Water will come in and then fill that up, and then that float will pick up like a carburetor and shut off. But if you got something in the needle and seat like that washer was, it's not going to shut, right?
You have to shoot the can.
It's just,
Coming in good power now.
yeah, you got good pressure down here.
Yeah.
And, we'll fill it and see if it shuts off. If it don't shut off, we could put a new fill valve in, but I'm thinking it's going to be good. Last time I was here, I put the new flappers in. See, but this type of shit I don't mind doing. Easy job, you know.
Might as well check the other ones over here too.
Are they leaking?
No, nothing. They work fine.
Yeah,
Leave them alone there.
all right then.
That worked.
That's it?
Yeah.
I think I put regular flappers in there. Let's see how they flush us. The old double flusher. Nothing wrong with that. You have no problem with it backing up, right?
No. It's a lot in a short time too.
Alright. Come on and see what happens with this one.
What's the water pressure now?
This one's kind of slow too. Let me shut it off and take it apart and give it a flush. Huh?
Oh, I'll get it out.
You hold my light for me. Yeah, there you go. I got the water off. Wow, that one don't want to come off.
There you go.
Yeah. So this one has to go. There are little clips in there, you know. This one has to go this way. There are little clips. It's got to go that way. There it goes. There's probably a little shit in there. Let's see. Nope, this one's good. This one's fine. I just want to make sure it's clear, right? There's no obstructions in there. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Rocket science.
A lot better pressure than I had before. Not as good as upstairs, but better.
Well, I didn't have the valve open all the way too, so maybe that was a problem. Yeah, these had some kind of queer flappers in there that look at that.
Yeah.
See if it goes by itself. Yeah, it's shutting off by itself. Gives it the old double flush. Nothing wrong with that. Get rid of the stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, these toilets are designed to flush with less water. I mean, I could put flappers in there that shut right away, but I'd rather have a double flush, to be honest with you.
Good.
So as long as it works, we're good, right?
Yeah.
Like I said, it's not rocket science.
No.
Surprised you couldn't do this.
Probably could. Tell you the truth, that my phone broke my shoulder. Well, I had a tough time.
What about your knees?
Knees good.
Your knees are good?
I have no arm strength in my left arm anymore. Nothing.
Oh yeah?
Nothing. Like we just turned that off with your left hand?
You couldn't do it?
No. I couldn't do it.
Well, you got like a pinched nerve or something?
No, I fell down and broke my shoulder right here.
Oh, so you're kind of limited to what you can do.
I can do everything underhand. Like this, I can't do anymore.
Oh, like rotate a cuff.
Same thing, worse.
Rotate a cuff
They
bullshit.
can't fix
Yeah.
it. You can't repair it.
They can't repair it.
No. If I do repair it, it will take at least a year and a half of recovery. And
Yeah.
I won't guarantee I'll have any better